he's up in the window.
Come out.
He's putting his on. Hey,
open the door.
Open the door.
Open the door.
25 minutes later, Cody decided to do something even crazier. He ran his car through a locked gate of the La Crosse Regional Airport. Workers at the airport said they saw him doing multiple donuts around one of the airplanes and then driving down the runway before he stopped close to a small jet.
He got on the jet?
He got on the jet.
I don't know where I copied that. He also did display a knife, and I believe he's going to be my theft suspect from Quick Trip Magic Vehicle.
Airplane's ready to start.
Okay.
You ready? I can hit the door one time.
Well, let's wait. So we get enough people here. Well, he's got a knife.
Nobody else is on the plane? No, but he has access and he has it powered up. Can you shut it off from here? No.
Yeah, go right through it. He actually just sold 2 cartons. He's up in the window.
Come out.
He's putting his on. Hey,
open the door.
Open the door.
Open the door. Come out! Come out! Grab it now!
Get out now!
I'm gonna beanbag him.
Get out now!
Open it again. I'm gonna beanbag him. Come out.
I don't have another cartridge.
Come out now! Show me your hands!
You have another taser cartridge?
Show me your hands now! Come here!
Show me your first part.
Cross police, show me your hands
Show
now!
me your first part.
I'll take lethal cover.
Let's move this way. Move this way so we don't cross.
You got lethal?
Police department, come out now!
I can't see him from there. I can see him over here.
Come out!
The officers were able to hit Cody once with a beanbag round, but he continued to wave around his knife. One of the officers sneaks up to the plane and deploys a can of pepper spray in an attempt to get Cody out of the plane. However, that only made Cody even more erratic. And then he said something to the officers that no one could have expected.
Police department, come out now!
I will cut you. I am a suicide bomber.
You're under arrest, come out!
Allah Akbar.
There's no vehicle button.
904, he's saying Allah Akbar and that he's a suicide bomber.
Come out with your hands up, do it now, sir! Just want to talk and see what's going on. Come on!
Waiting for my entire life.
Alright, come down here and we'll talk, okay?
I'm gonna cut my wrist. Sir, step out of the plane.
Don't force it right now.
Yep, he was just coming, K9. I don't feel deployment there or not, but
I don't know with the knife.
I know.
Do you guys have any other gas options or no?
Not. They're down at the department.
Yeah.
Hey, what's your name, sir? Bobby? Police department, can you step out, sir? We just want to help you out, come on!
We need gas or something. He's in there barricaded with a knife on him.
Can you step out and talk to us, please? Drop the knife.
He's got the knife in his right hand.
Drop the knife.
Left hand. Left hand.
Sir.
We don't want to hurt you. Just come out. We want to talk. No one wants to hurt you.
Sir, drop the knife and come out. Sir.
What? If you shut the door, fucking
Sir.
pilot, I won't blow it up here.
If he moves across that door, you bag him.
Give me wherever.
Why don't you step in the car and we'll talk, okay? What's your name, bud?
Bag him. Bag him again. Bag him again. Bag him again. Did he drop the knife? I can't see it.
I can't tell.
No, it's still in his hand. Still in his hand.
Drop the knife.
Pull less lethal in the plane.
Cody, just come out, man.
Make a deal. I'll give you US garbage plans.
Sir, come out. You won't be hurt.
Just come out. We don't want to hurt you.
He's to
the right. Yeah, when he crossed the door, he beanbagged him. Hit him good, but he still got the knife.
The officers tell Cody that he won't be harmed if he comes out of the plane with his hands in the air. Now, with everything Cody said, it's possible that he's either under the influence of alcohol or he has a mental health issue. Either way, the officers have to get him off the plane and into cuffs.
Hands up, hands empty, Cody. Just step out here.
Promise not to shoot.
We will not shoot you. We will not hurt you. If you come out with your hands up, empty. Thank you.
You just threw something else too. Yeah.
It's on the top step. All right, let's see your hands, buddy, and just walk out.
Buddy, just come out. Keep your hands up, buddy, okay? Drop
Come on,
it,
sir.
drop
Drop it. Just drop it. Drop it.
Drop it.
Come on out. Let's
Come
see
on.
your hands. Let's see your hands.
Come on, bud.
Just your hands.
Drop it.
Hands, hands, hands.
Drop it. Show us your hands now.
Another taser.
Drop it now.
To the left. Go up with the shield if you're gonna tase him.
Cody.
You gonna chase him?
Stop.
Cody, come here, man.
Slow us down here. Slow it down.
Cody, where are you from?
I don't like them.
I don't like him on there.
How did we end up here today? Can you talk to me? What's your plan today? Do you have any explosives with you? What kind of explosives do you have? C4? Where did you get that? Government?
Cody threatened to blow the airplane up with C4 explosives, which he claimed he got from the government. He told the officers that he had a dead man switch and 2 handguns on the plane. Cody tells the officers that he'll give them the switch if they allow him to go to the bathroom first.
I can't let you take your but we can get you to a bathroom. We can have you come down here and then we can get you to a bathroom. I can tell you that. There's one right in the hangar.
Back off so I can take
You can only back up if you're starting to come out, though, bud. Come on, you're not moving, man.
Because I got shot in the leg.
Okay,
Twice.
well, we'll get you some help for that, but we gotta have you move if we move, okay? Come to the top of the stairs. Come to the
Back
top.
up, and I'll give you the bomb.
Okay, come to the top of the stairs.
No.
Come on.
No,
We're back pretty far, man.
back up, and I'll give you the bomb.
Well, we backed up, and you didn't come to the stairs.
You're still with the Raven C4, so you didn't really get
Okay, you can't back off that far. We'll take 2 more steps back if you come to the top of the stairs. Okay, Cody, we're gonna throw you a little camera to look at, okay? You can talk to it. All right, it's gonna be right in the middle here.
According to the staff here, there's not anybody else.
Cody,
I'll save the cracks in that bush.
Cody, Cody.
Just keep lethal in there, though. Somebody. If he does have a gun.
Come on, Cody.
Cody, I can't hear you. You gotta come to the
They're
stairs.
all shot.
Come on out, brother. We'll get you to the bathroom.
He just stole 2 cartons of cigarettes from Quick Trip. Same suspect.
You can clear your... That's
Yeah.
The officers talk a bit and realize that there's an even bigger problem at the moment. If Cody even has a slight idea of how to fly a plane, he could easily turn the plane and take off. Luckily, workers at the airport realize that they can disable the jet's battery at the back of the plane, and all the officers have to do now is get Cody off that plane without anyone getting hurt.
Over your hands. Keep your hands visible for me, okay, Cody? We don't want to hurt you, okay? Stand up for me. Stand up.
Fight.
Take it out.
We gotta stabilize.
All right, good.
We got a spot. Come over.
Clear the rest quick.
Is that a bed? Cigarettes here.
There's my stolen cigarettes.
Yep.
Found my stolen cigarettes. He's my suspect in my cigarette theft case,
Oh,
too.
I didn't bring it.
You guys check for taser probes, too.
No, not yet. I don't know where they're at.
I don't know if they hit him or not.
Cody got 6 charges after this incident, with felony counts of attempted carjacking with a weapon, attempted robbery with threat of force, making terrorist threats, bomb scares, failure to comply, and misdemeanor criminal damages to property. La Crosse officers gave this case to the FBI, so Cody might even get more charges added. Cody Anderson's cash bond was set at $500,000, and as of right now, Cody might get a plea deal and be sent to the Mendota State Hospital.